Hi everyone, this is just an easy chignon hairstyle. Take no time to recreate this style. First, I prep the hair just by curling it with my GHD. Then I use a little bit of texture spray just to spray it. Next, I'm going to section a little bit off the left side. Clip the right side away, then take a little bit off the side just to frame the face. And then tie that into a ponytail and repeat the same thing. Then we're going to have like 4 ponytails to it. Take another little section of the face just to frame it a bit for later. There we have 4 ponytails. Then we're going to spray a little bit of hairspray, pinch and pull the crown off the hair just to give it a few volume to it. Then you have something looking like this. Next we're going to split the ponytail on the right side and then bring that over to the 2 ponytail in the middle of the hair. Tie that away with an elastic band, nice and secure. Then pin that just to hold it down a little bit. Then we take the end ponytail there, split that in half, and bring that into the ponytail that we tied at the beginning, like so, and then tie that with an elastic band to make it nice and secure. Then I pick up the end ponytail, split that in half, and bring that all the way over to the end ponytail. Tie that with some clear elastic band again, nice and secure. And then all we're going to do is just give it a simple pleat by sectioning it into 3 and bring 1 into the middle, and then the right side into the middle and the left side into the middle, all the way to the end of the ponytail. When we finish, we just tie it away with the clear elastic band again. Then spray with some hairspray and pinch and pull it out a little bit just to make it a bit more volume to it and a bit more bigger. You can leave it if you prefer. Then you twist it around and bring it over onto the end ponytail by the elastic band. And then all we're going to do is tuck it under, like so. It's going to be a bit fiddly, but it's okay. Then pin it with some bobby pin, like twist it over and then pin the bobby pin. Use as much bobby pin as you need all the way around just to keep it nice and secure. There we go. Then we're going to curl the end just with the GHD just to soften the face and spray with some hairspray. And this is the finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video and please give it a like. Thank you. Bye.